How to buy and sell on crypto.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this following video, I'm going to show you how you can buy and sell crypto on crypto.com. So in order to buy and sell on crypto.com, all you have to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instructions guided. Now then, to begin with the procedure, all you have to do is log in into your crypto.com. So basically, to sell or buy cryptos on crypto.com, you need to first of all set up fiat wallet. So in order to set up a fiat wallet, you need to tap the accounts button located in the bottom left hand side. After that, you'll need to click on fiat wallet from the top, and next page you'll be asked to set up a fiat wallet. So all you have to do is just follow the prompt and then set it up. After you're done setting up the fiat wallet, now click the trader icon located in the top left. As soon as you do that, a drop down menu appears, so click on sell. So if you're selling or buying the Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency, either way the procedure is going to remain the same, only the interface will change a bit. So click the sell button. In my case, I'm going to go and sell the Bitcoin. So if you're selling a Bitcoin, you need to make sure that you have enough funds. Next page, you'll be asked to select the cryptocurrency that you wish to sell. So click on the cryptocurrency that you wish to sell. Now that you've already set up a fiat wallet, so select fiat wallet from the top right hand side and enter the exact amount of crypto that you wish to sell. And if you want to convert it to USD, you can do that as well. And if you're done with this procedure, click on sell, which is located right at the bottom. So for the confirmation, you need to go through all of the information that is shown on the screen and then click the confirm button. Next page, you'll be notified with the statement stating that you've successfully sold Bitcoin. So in this way, you can sell crypto on crypto.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.